We now have the Hammond C3 electronics chassis completed and ready to test. You might have seen in a previous video that the capacitor replacement job that had been done on this in the past wasn't all that great. Caps were just sort of dangling, just sort of taped up with some black tape. A metal can electrolytic was just sort of mounted up in there. I got it set up so that it's going to be a lot neater job. Put in the terminal strips here, ran new wiring, put another terminal strip over here, replaced all the paper capacitors. Luckily by this time Hammond had been gotten to using ceramic for a lot of the features, and ceramic holds up a whole lot better than those old paper caps. So I don't know that I think I've come across maybe one or two bad ceramic capacitors in hundreds of pieces of tube equipment I've worked on. So I don't bother changing ceramic capacitors unless there's an indication of a problem. Paper caps, though, continue to degrade over time, so I always want to replace those just to ensure the best performance. Put in new Mylar caps here. So we're going to be ready to turn it over and test it. We don't have a B or C series unit here at the shop to test this with, so we're just going to test it with some audio. Going to run some audio into it from a CD player, hook the output up to a speaker, and that'll just ensure that it has some basic functionality, and then we can put it back into the C3.